Hello and welcome, I'm Arumba. Thank you for joining me. Let's play some more No Assembly Required for Factorio. We have light, we have lights, we have guns, we have power. It's glorious. It really is. Actually, let's, for the sake of symmetry, let's put the lights on the right side of each one. It just looks nice. That way you can actually see it on YouTube land. Wow, this thing is full of lots of stone. Well, we have the ability to make walls, right? Which requires stone brick. Why don't we set up a very small wall making area? It doesn't take... Well, it does require fuel, doesn't it? Darn it. We have this just huge stone quarries available. Alright, it's temporary, but we're going to set up like a very minor area, very similar to my normal layout. Because I do think we're going to need walls. And lots of them. And also turrets. That's the other thing I want to do in this video. Turrets and lights, basically. Get everything looking nice. And that'll be nice. Get everything looking nice will make it be nice. Yeah, that's right. You heard me. I don't really care about the oil for now, because again, this is all temporary. And you can run like that, and that doesn't actually need to be there. We need a splitter. I don't have a splitter. Can the assembly machine make me a splitter? Nope. That would be a 3-component deal. Well, darn. Alright, do we have any iron? Man, I have like no raw material right now. Here, let's go feed our wood over here into this box. All the wood we used, and that'll just make some more holes for us. Alright, so I need iron so that I can make some guns, and so that I can make some splitters. Iron for guns and splitters, don't forget. It's the whole reason we're going down there. And while we're down here, let's also put down some lights. I like to put them here and here, here and here. Because it will get dark soon. Again. And since we're down here, let's also get rid of all this copper ore. We could make fast inserters and clean up that bottom area. But I don't want to. Okay, and then you go here, 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 and here. And we put lights here and here. Oh god, it's not symmetrical. Unacceptable. Unacceptable. It must be symmetrical. You don't understand the importance. Or is it? I mean, these are... No. Nope. Light poles go above it. It's just how we make it. Okay. Very much looking forward to having robots for this No Assembly Required, because blueprints will be awesome. Okay, we got iron, and I was going to make... I need some more blue assemblers, that way I don't have to keep coming up here. Let's turn this thing into a blue assembly factory for a second. Throw all the things in it. And we need electronic circuits. Let's grab some. Put them in there. There we go. Got a whole bunch of them now. And now you can go back to lamps. Alright, so I needed some splitters, which requires electronic circuits, of course. We don't really have very many of those. Keep that thing nice and loaded up. Let's keep this thing with, it's got plenty of copper, but we'll give it a little bit more. Give you the circuits that we have now. We'll take our one splitter. We'll need another one, won't we? Yes, we will. We can split off some... Assuming we had a splitter, we could split off some fuel from that line. just do it here. Okay, fuel for the stone, and then we can just run this stone down that way now. And the best way to do that is probably going to be to rotate this guy. Very useful to rotate those instead of having to pick them up movement and stuff. And we're out of transport belt. We also need a inserter to unload this guy. We'll double unload it until it's empty. I need transport belt. Means I need metal. Need iron. Oh wait, I have iron. Wrong one. Iron, make me transport belt. Lots of it. Go. Alright. Yeah, all these machines need to be tied up to the actual output soon, because they are not actually getting that much done. Alright, so we'll get all the stone down there, assuming we actually have enough transport belt, which we don't. Oh, this game. Lights. Oh, and turrets. Right, I need to make turrets. Turrets. I need metal. Need iron. At the very least, we've got power and we've got pretty good iron production going for the moment. I mean, as long as we got iron per minute, eventually all problems will be fixed. Get some turrets made. We will drop all this stone because I don't need it. I needed transport belt, which was up here. And I think we actually need... It'd be better to have this thing as a... We need a fast inserter. Also get rid of this stuff. Clean it up a little bit. We have no science happening. I should have noticed that a while ago. Only 10 copper in there. Let's get some more copper in there too. Why am I coming over here? I'm coming over here because I have extra boilers or steam engines. Okay. Science should be happening soon. We don't need more of those for the moment. More lamps are always nice. Transport belt's nice. This needs iron. We do have quite a few inserters. I guess I don't really need to make more inserters, do I? Well, we need them. They eventually get used for science, so having extra wouldn't be terrible. Okay, so this just makes stone bricks. That's all. That's all it does. And I suppose we'll feed the stone bricks directly into a thing to make walls. And we'll put them in a box. And we will also make a few of the fast inserters. That's not very many. I wonder if one is enough. Yeah, it seems like it's keeping up just fine. Alright, more circuits. That is what we need. Now that we have access to level 2 inserter, or level 2 inserters and level 2 assembling machines, like, this one needs to be a blue to keep up, and it definitely needs a faster inserter on both parts. Let's get a couple more of those. Because the thing that's always holding this thing up is the copper cable. Hey, steel processing, cool. Let's get armor 2. There we go. This thing should, assuming it had the raw materials necessary, it should be basically working almost non-stop now. Which means we'll have plenty. And we'll have those. Good supply of resources. I like it. I want more of those, though. I want to have a bunch of them on hand. Because we will need them. Man, I got rid of all my iron. Oops. Shocking, right? It's been known to happen. We have walls. Yay! Alright. Guns. I had something to make guns. Did it actually make any, though? I thought it did. Right there. Yeah. And we have 82 rounds of ammo. Got 3 gun turrets. I think we go take out that base. Seems like something we could totally handle. I need to make a submachine gun first. Let's get a submachine gun. Just one would be nice. Requires gears. Requires 10. Wow. There's a lot of gears in these guns. There we go. Change over our ammo, and I actually don't want to keep that pistol. Oh no. Well, it's okay. It's okay. Doesn't count. All I did was make a couple pieces of wood so that I could kill my gun. Doesn't count. Doesn't count. You didn't see that. Nothing happened. Can we make better ammo yet? No, that requires green science. Alright, well, let's just go see if we can kill it. We got 79 rounds of ammo. We've got some turrets on us. I'm going to put the turrets in the taskbar so that maybe I can throw them down and kind of just have a little bit more firepower down here. But getting rid of a base would be kind of cool. Assuming that there are no worms. There are quite a few guys wandering around. That look like maybe 10 of them out there. Has two resistance to physical, so if we only do 2 damage, yeah, that's a bad idea. We won't effectively do any damage without piercing rounds. Not gonna happen. Since we do have fast inserters, I think we will get rid of this excessive power drain. These things take way more power than they need to. Effectively to do the same job. He seems to be keeping up all right. Okay. So we've got walls, we've got guns, we've got, we need to get more piercing, we need to get more technology going. To do that, I need to get more copper, and it wouldn't hurt actually to have more iron coming in too. Some more light. Always a good idea to have a brightly lit workspace. Okay. Make a bunch of those. And you can not have too much transport belt, so let's just really load that thing up. And these could probably benefit from some fast inserters as well. Definitely the gears. Takes 2 iron plate to make 1 gear. What is slowing this thing up? Oh, it's the output. Yeah, we gotta empty it out quicker. That's the only thing that's slowing it down now. Because it makes 2 at a time. There we go. That guy's running at pretty much peak efficiency. I like it. This thing can craft way faster than it needs to. This is really the bottleneck there. And some more circuitry would be nice. Actually, I ran out of copper up here. Burning through this excess stone pretty quick. Alright, I've got to get more copper into the primary area. And I only have 1 electric mining drill. I also only have one more of these blue ones. Let's make some more electric mining drills up here. Which requires stone gears. Or iron gears, rather. I need iron. Always need more iron. Yes, I have 2 monitors. I put the 2 monitor setup when I do streaming. Copper is actually... We only have 1 electric miner on copper right now, which is really not that many. It's not really enough. Got some more guns. And I'm just going to make a bunch of these things. Because I always seem to need more. Let's grab the spare circuits. Nice, I have quite a few of them actually. Tap in some more copper. I also need to find another iron supply. Just going to be down there. Yeah, it would be advisable to get the green science working so that we can get piercing rounds, clear out that base, and safely tap these 2 iron resources. Either that, or I could go way the hell up here. But that base is pretty close. And I think that one had worms. Yeah, you can actually see the little worms right here. There's bigger squares. They're not as big as the bases, but they're squares and they're not moving. Well, they're not moving because they're not on the map either, but... Alright. Plenty of electrical poles. I do want to just get some more copper into the system real quick. Even if we're not using the copper. I don't like the idea of not having much. And... put them like here and here. And here and here. Transport belt. That should work. We will get some power in here already. And a couple lights for good measure. We'll drag the power lines over. These should really be bound down here. Use them all the time. And then we'll bring the copper over. Oh, did I actually miss? That's better. Well, it's going to be kind of messy, but we'll just run it along right this way, and then I guess bring it over that way. We have underground belt. We have some, yes. And I'm already out of transport belt again, aren't I? No! Yay, we actually have some more. Cool, and then a splitter. No! No splitters. Splitters, quick. I must have splitters. I am nearly out of transport belt. Okay, I actually have 17 on the taskbar. I have no circuitry. We were so close. We were so close. And it is almost time for a break. I have no iron. Damn. There's always one more thing that needs to be done. Always one more thing. Thank you. And there we go. Okay, so now I got more copper. Which is good. Alright, I'm going to take a break here. I will see you again in the next video. Thanks for watching, everyone. See you soon.